Hello fam, you're welcome back to my channel, and if you are stopping by for the first time, this is the Gele makeovers. Please subscribe and join the family. So today I have this two-sided fan gele for you. It's actually very simple, so if you would like to see how this was created, just keep on watching. The first thing I do is to divide the gele into two equal halves. This particular gele was 2 yards in length, that's about 72 inches in length. So I folded it into two equal halves, and from the middle point I folded 1 inch in and then started creating these pleats that I'm making now. I think I made about 5 to 6 pleats. Then I placed it at the center of her head. So I asked her to hold one side so that I could finish the pleat all the way to the back of her ear. That's what I'm doing right now. So once I finish this, I'll repeat it on the other side as well. You want to make sure that your pleats get all the way to the back. The reason I didn't do it on my hand is because it's harder to do for me though. For some people it's not, but for me, I find it easier to just split a little, then come and finish it all the way to the back on the person's head. So that's what I just did, and now I'm going to cross it at the back, just like the way you cross a scarf normally. Now because we folded this gele into two equal halves, you can take any side over the other, but if for the style of gele you are tying, there's a longer side and there's a shorter side, the ideal thing when you are tying gele is that the shorter side should always come up above the longer side. But this one is equal half, so it doesn't really matter. I can take any one I want. So now I've brought back one side, that's the one on the left side, now to the front, and I'm going to continue my pleats. So I made about 3 pleats, that's 3 normal pleats. That's what I just did now. Then I'm going to start making my fan. Just watch how I'm making the fan. For the pleats, I started from the lower part. Then for when I want to start making my fan, I'll start from the upper part, just like I did right now. So I picked a little from up, then as I'm going downwards I picked more to give me like a fan shape. You can see that the gap in between the material, that's the one down, is bigger than what is closer to my hand. So just watch how I'm folding it, and that's how I'm going to continue till I exhaust the material on this side. Then I'm going to twist the remaining and pin. When you want to twist your gele, you are going to see that in a bit. When you want to twist your gele, you have to use your hand to secure the pleats that you have already made so that it does not scatter. So you secure it with one hand, then you twist with the second hand. If you don't secure it well, as you are twisting it is going to scatter your fan. So you have to hold it, then twist, just like I did right now. So you twist it and then you pin it at the back. When you want to pin, please make sure that you use as many pins as necessary so that your gele doesn't go and fall off while you are out or something. Please just use as many pins as necessary. So that's me just trying to arrange it before going to do the other side. So the aim is to achieve this same thing on the other side as well. The gele is simple, right? So if you've not liked this video by now, please go and like it now, give it a huge thumbs up, and also leave a comment. Yes, do you like my model's makeup? Do you want to see the tutorial? Let me know in the comment section if you would like me to post how I created this look on the model. If you didn't get how I formed the fan on the other side, please pay attention now so you can see how I'm forming the fan on this side. So in case you are new here, the Gele Makeovers is a full-time makeup artist in Lagos, Nigeria. We are available for all kinds of makeup bookings, and we are also available to travel anywhere. So please let's connect on Instagram. Follow me at the Gele Makeovers. And also, if you have any look you would like me to create, any gele style you would like me to create, you can send it to my DM on Instagram, and I will try to work on it. So back to our video. Now I've formed all the fans on this other side as well. Now I'm going to also secure it with my hand and twist at the back of the first one that I did. That's the first fan, just as I did right now. Then I'm going to also pin it. You can see I'm pinning it to the base. That's the one I used for the first 5 plates, so that it can be really secured. So now it's time to rearrange the gele that we have scattered in the process. So it's just to go back to all the fan and pleats and everything that you formed and just rearrange it and make it neat. So what I'm going to do to finish up this double fan gele is to pin the 2 fans together, so that there can be no gap, so that there will be no gap in between them. So I'm going to pin the 2 of them together, and that's basically it for the double fan gele. So once I finish pinning and I make sure that the shape is all nice and okay, I'm going to push it back a bit to expose her hairline, so that I can have more fitting on her face. And that's really it for the gele. The gele is actually very simple, and it's not just simple, it's also not a very small style for people that don't like small gele styles. So that's why I like it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you love most about it in the comment section. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Give me all you've got if you're prepared.